Alrighty, how's everybody doing? About to get started. Make sure this is looking good. Alrighty, good luck everybody. We're gonna get started. This video will be posted on our YouTube channel and on our page too. You guys can watch it later. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with these fat packs. I'm gonna go pretty quick with these because these are a lot of cards that we really don't. You know, the middle is the fun part. So let's get it going. Good luck, everybody. All right, there's a green right there. Let's go. Like I said, I'm going to go fast with these because these are a lot of base cards, and we'll get to the fun part in the rookies later. Hold on. All right, let's go. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. We got Rudy Gobert, Eric Bledsoe, Donovan Mitchell. We got Chris Middleton. We got Malcolm Brogdon, D'Angelo Russell, Dylan Brooks, Christian Wood. We got P.J. Washington, LaMarcus Aldridge. We got Bismack Biyombo, who got dunked on pretty bad. We got Aaron Bynes. We got OG. We got Fred VanVleet, Eric Pascal, Eric Gorton. We got Kevin Horter. We got a Al Horford. We got a Joe Crowder. We got a Troy Brown, excuse me. We got a Naminja. Oh, excuse me. Thomas Bryant, here we go. Finally some. This is Emilio Dalio. What is this? Wow, check this out. Thunder. Man, out of a fat pack, you get a signature. Isn't that crazy? Not numbered. There you go, Thunder. Wow, that's pretty cool. I never seen a signature on a fat pack. Fantasy Stars, we got Ben Simmons. We got a franchise, Ja Morant. We got Rudy Gobert, which is our green. And then we got our rated rookies. We got Emmanuel Quickly. We got Zeke Naji, a Sadiq Bey. A Aaron Nesmith, and a Keelan Hayes. Not bad. Not bad. Let me sleeve some of these up. Wow, that's a nice signature. That's pretty nice signature. Whoever got that signature card. Pretty nice. All right, we got a good start for a little pack. All righty, let's go with the next pack. I don't think any more packs is gonna have a signature, so that's high hopes right there. But let's see what we can do. All right, next fat pack. Let's go. Let's see. Any green in the middle? We need some yellow lasers, though. Bam, join bleed. We got Damian Lillard, Shake Milton. Like I said, I'm going to go fast with these guys. Jackson Hayes, Jonas, Bojan. We got Kevin Durant. Oh, he's injured. DeMar DeRozan, his twin, Terry Craig. Michael Porter Jr. is balling. Rudy Gobert, Eric Bledsoe, Donovan Mitchell, Chris Middleton, Malcolm Brogdon. We got a Harrison Barnes, Shabazz Napier, Will Barton, Victor Oladipo, Mo Bamba. And then here we go. The middle, we got a Devin Booker. We got an Expectations, Nico Manian. for the Heat. Ooh, nice hit. Nice hit, Heat. Precious Ochua. Nice card. All right. Not bad, not bad. We got a Devin Vassell. We got an Obi Toppin. We got an Anthony Edwards. There he is. A Kenyon Martin Jr. And Elijah Hughes. Not bad, not bad. We got Edwards on the board. We'll take that. It's a nice Precious right there for the Miami Heat. Good looking card. Let me put that up. Pretty nice fat packs. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see if we can get some of these Prizms, though. That's what we need. But for now, it's pretty nice. Alrighty, just leaving up cards. Alrighty, who you guys got, man? Who you guys got, man? I want to be excited. Who are we looking for? Who are we hunting? Let's go. Let's get it. All right, I'm going to go through these pretty quick, like I said. We got Jackson Hayes, Jonas, Josh Jackson, Jordan Clarkson, Klay Thompson, Seth Curry, Julius Randle, Caruso, Paul George, Luka. He made a nice shot the other day. Marcus Smart, and there's Cantor, R.J. Barrett, Giannis. Let's get it. RJ, we got Joe Harris, Lauri Markkanen, Kawhi Leonard, Giannis. There he is, bro. Is that what you were looking for? I'm just kidding. Giannis. Still a nice base card. Wendell Carter Jr. Jared Allen, Lonnie Walker, Joe Ingles, Jeff Teague. And here's our complete players. Zach LaVine. We got a Joe Barrett. RJ Barrett. Who is this? Let's see. Is a Celtic and his Cantor. Ouch. Not who you want, but we'll take it, I guess. You want me to do hangers next? Grant Riller, CJ Ellerby, Nico Minion, Xavier Tillman, and Desmond Bain. Ouch. All right, not the best fat pack for sure at all. All right, let's move it on then. We got hangers coming on. You guys want hangers? Let's do hangers. I'll do hangers, and then I'll do a blaster. Good luck, everybody. We still need our LaMelos, our Edwards, Halliburton. Let's get something nice for you guys. Let's get something nice. Here we go. What you guys been waiting for. Empty box. Let me just cut it up. All right. Oh, I saw something in the back. Wow. Did I just see something in the back already? Man. All right, we got DeAnthony Melton. I never heard of him. We got Dwight Powell. We got Ursan. We got Mo Bamba. We got Dennis Schroeder. Come on, where's his Laker jersey at? Zion, let's go, Zion. Nice card. Let me sleeve that right up. Boom, there he is. Second year Zion. All right, we got Zion on the board. Let's put him up. Let's put him up. There he is. All righty, let's go. It's going to be a good break. We got Jeremy Grant. Woohoo! Who's this? This can't be an auto, is it? Do we have autos in these things? Do we have autos? Man. That's a variation? Nice. Do we have autos in this thing? Ooh, no, we don't want that guy. Is this an auto for the Pacers? Man, that would have been nice for the Warriors. Wow. Nice auto. Let me hold on. Who got the Warriors? I wish I was somebody else, but we'll take it, whatever. We got some crazy autos over here. An orange crack ice autos. I'm not expecting autos. We got Mikal Bridges for the Suns. We got an Otto Porter Jr. for the Hornets. There he is. Let's go, LaMelo. Nice. There he is. We got a Joker. Uh-oh, what is this? For the Magic. Be there. Nice, Silver. Let's go. Fire hanger. Let's go. There they are. Man, we got too much heat. We got heat already. Nice. Who's our orange crack guys? Let's go. Let's stay on fire. For the Hornets, man, bro. What do you think? You already got LaMelo. You think you can get another one? Especially a cracked ice? Oh, Dwayne Bacon. You got me. You got me. For the Magic, Anthony Hardaway. That's hard right there. That's hard. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is nice for the Magic. Christian Wood. I know, man. Close. TJ Warren. These crack guys are nice. Who's this? We got a rookie right here. Is this Halliburton for the Kings? I think so. No, it's not. No, it's not. My bad. Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. For the Knicks. Ooh, Bobby Portis. Man. Close. And for the Charlotte Hornets, let's be there. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Told you this is going to be a fire break. Let's go. Let's go. It wasn't cracked eyes, but you got it. But you got it. 2 LaMelos in one hanger. If you would have bought that hanger and popped it open, that would be all you, man. Congrats. Congrats. Let me sleeve some of these up. Yup, man. No problem, man. We got you a LaMelo. I'm going to check if it's centered right now. 1 second. Just let me. And we got a Cole Anthony. Let's go. Fire hanger. Is that you, Tim? You got the Hornets? Because if you do, man, those are some sick cards. All right, now we need Anthony Edwards. Now we need some other ballers, man. Oh, congrats, bro. Congrats, man. Fire looking card. I don't know how much that card's going for, but I know a PSA 10 is like $1,000 or something, man. 1 second. All right. We still need some fire. We still need to pull some fire. Let's go. Let's go. Fire hanger, man. We still need LeBron. We still need some players, though. We got some nice stuff. Let me go. All righty. Let's bust this open. Good luck, everybody. All right. So far, so good, man. Jeez. We just need some Edwards and Halliburtons. We solid. I saw that LaMelo in the back, but I didn't want to say anything, man. You know, Eric Bledsoe. We got the Joker. Let's see. Here we go for the Raptors. Ooh, Terrence Davis. All right, not bad. Houston Rockets, Kenyon Martin Jr., rookie. It's a nice Terrence Davis. I think he just got traded, though. All righty. Man, that's solid, man. Well, you keep stacking up those LaMelos, man. All right. I'm going to try to get that for you. We got Aaron Holiday. You got Mo Bamba. Patrick Williams, instant impact. Nice card for the Bulls. And Wendell Carter Jr. after that. Nice Patrick Williams there. Alrighty, come on. Let's go, Blaster. Let's get it. We got Dort. He's balling. We got Dennis Schroeder. Our green for the Cavs is Isaac Okuro. Nice looking card. And an Obi Toppin. Nice cards. Not bad, not bad, not bad. We need Emmanuel quickly too now. That's what we need. We still got some players to go through though. All right, Roche O'Neal. Oh, what is this? Man, another signature? No, this is a patch. It's a patch. Andrew Wiggins. Nice patch. We got a Kawhi Leonard dominance. And for the Lakers, Bradley. Ouch. Come on, man. We need a nice LeBron. I would love a LeBron right now. Alrighty, let's go. Come on, Blaster. Give me something nice. Give me an Anthony Edwards. Nice Anthony Edwards. Here we go. We got silver. See what happens. Cameron Johnson. For the Pelicans. Boom. 2 Zions. Man. And for the Lakers. Ouch. That hurts. That hurts. For the Heat. Precious Achiuwa. Man, that would have been fire, LeBron. Why you do me like that? That's 2 Zions. Whoever got. Two Zions. We need a. Alrighty. Cool. All right, last pack. Come on. We got Rudy Gay. We got Jeremy Grant. And our Sacramento Kings. Boom. Let's go. We need a base, though. And a Devin Vassell. Nice, Spurs. 2 nice rookies right there, back to back. Got you guys on the board. That's good stuff, but we need a base. Devin Vassell's nice. Good looking card right there. All righty. All right, hanger time. We got good hanger last time. I don't know if we can do better, though. We could do better. All right, come on. See something nice. All righty. Let's get some some crack ice to go with this. Well, we know who's in the back already. Mr. Luke. All right, we got Landry Shamet. We got Davis Burtons. We got John Wall. We got Paul George. We got Danny Green. We got Kevin Horder. For the Bulls, we got Thaddeus Young. For the Bulls, oh, shoot. I don't know who that is. Tomas Satoshi. He just messed up one of my silvers. For the Wizards, nice. Denny Adija, nice green Wizards. Kevin Garnett, Team USA. Now, I don't know how this works, who it goes to, but we'll figure that out later. We got Devin Vassell, nice looking card. Instant Impact. What's going on, Patrick? For the Heat, another Precious Ochoa. We got a lot of those Heat. Here's our crack ice. Let's go. Let's get it. For the Hawks, Onyeka Okongwu. Nice hit, Hawks. Nice hit. All righty. Nice hit. For the Nuggets, Torrey Craig. For the Hawks, Cam Reddish. Nice second-year card. For the Sixers, Tobias Harris. And that's it for the crack ice. Not the best cracked ice. For the Grizzly, Brandon Clark. Come on, Jaw. We haven't got a Jaw yet. Indiana Pacers, Cassius Stanley. Utah Jazz, Joe Ingles. And the last card is Luke Kennard. Last card, Luke Kennard. Man, that hanger wasn't the best. Sometimes you can't get them all. All right, all we got is a blaster, and that's it. A blaster, we done. We still need Edwards, Halliburton, Wiseman. Come on. We still need some players. All right, last chance, guys. Last chance. Alrighty, let's go. Good luck, everybody. All right. Come on, let's get something nice here. Alrighty. We got a George Hill. We got Jamal Murray. Hopefully he gets better. For the Knicks. All right, Knicks. Let's go. Ooh, ouch. Alfred Payton. And for the Suns, Jalen Smith. Man. I didn't like that purple. That wasn't a nice purple. They're super good looking cards, those purples. All right, Doug McDermott, Duncan Robinson, Tyrese Maxey. All right, we got him on the board. And Anthony Edwards. There he is. There you go. I know you were sweating it, man. We got you a nice Anthony Edwards. It wasn't colored, but still nice base. Now we need Halliburton, Wiseman, come on. All right, not bad, not bad. You got your card, man. I know you've been waiting for that. All righty, 1 second. Let's go. Some good rookies here. Woo! There he is, LeBron. Let's go. Not colored, man. But there is LeBron. I actually want this card, man. I really do. Nice. Bam Adebayo. Devin Booker. And Evan Fournier. All right. Well, we got that LeBron now. We got that LeBron on the board. That card is going to be worth a lot, man. I don't know how much the base is right now, but it's going to be worth a lot. Let's go, Lake Show. Let's put Lake Show up. All righty. Sorry, Zion. There's 2 of you Zions already. Come on. Let's finish strong. Let's finish strong. We got Alex Caruso. This is a patch. Kevin Knox. Not the best patch. We got Clyde Drexler. And for the Bucks, Jordan Nora. All right, Bucks, you got a rookie there. Nice rookie. All righty. 2 more packs. We didn't get nothing big, but we got some cards. We didn't go. We still need a Halliburton base. Cody Zeller. Dwayne Wade. For the Grizzlies, ouch. Jaren Jackson, come on. John Moran, we haven't hit draw. For the Wizards, Bradley Beal. Alrighty, I'm gonna go through the cards after this. Thank you guys for joining. Good looking cards. All right, that's it, guys. 1 pack. That's it. Let's go. Anthony Melton, DeJounte Murray. We got I think this is a Magic Johnson. Magic Johnson silver, nice. And then we got Toronto Malachi Flynn for the Raptors. All right. Well, we missed some people, but we got most of everybody. Overall, did pretty good. Not bad. All righty. Let me go through these real quick. Let me gather this up. We got some nice LaMelo, some nice cards. All righty, let's go. We got a emerging LaMelo Ball. We got a silver Cole Anthony. We got Ramsey, a Precious Ochoa, yellow. We got an Allen Samajic signature. We got a silver Magic, Anthony Edwards. Zion, we got Zion, Precious Ochoa, Obi Toppin, Isaac Okoro, Patrick Williams, Keyon Martin Jr., Anthony Hardaway, Malachi Flynn, Jaren Jackson, Jordan Nora. We got another Zion. We got Devin Booker. We got a Tyrese Maxey. We got signature Amidio Dalio, Denny, Green, Onyeka Onkunwu, Cracked Ice, Van Tassel, base, Tyrese Halliburton, and then we got Edwards. That looks very centered. LaMelo, and then LeBron. All right, guys. Thank you for joining. You guys have a good night. Take care. Bye.